Yo, they say money make the world go round. I was broke, it was still spinning. That means I was like two from the very beginning. I knew I would be winning, remain strong through the minutes. I'm grinning when you overcome this an amazing feeling. Traumas in my lifetime, in my mind, they always play. They ask me how I manage, I say God in always ways. To push myself past my max even on them rainy days. But environments took a toll, I now see how much it weighs. It's crazy how they claim it's love, but really it be hate.
Y'all already can see, man, your boy finally made it. Finally made it to his destination, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday when I flew in, it was like 80 degrees outside. That cold in Illinois different. It's my 30th birthday.
Damn!
Tomorrow. 30th birthday tomorrow. I gotta get my hair in a minute. I gotta get the beard right real quick. It's a major accomplishment. Making 30 years old in the Chicago area. Coming from that, being a 30-year-old black man in America, period. Get my lighting right a little bit. Anyway, man, so, you know, take a second. You know, sometimes y'all gotta take a second and get away from y'all everyday routine. Wake up, get off, go home, deal with the family, deal with the kids, do what you gotta do. And don't forget, you know, to live outside of what you do every day. Forget, like, you have life outside of these cars. It's just a small little testament to everything. You know, I usually go out of town for my birthday. I've been doing that the last couple years, man. I don't care if it's big, it's small. It could be anything, you know what I'm saying? As long as I'm surrounded by genuine people I rock with, people that love me, or just positive energy. Wait, man, without further ado, we gonna turn up tonight. We gonna party, we gonna turn up. So your boy finna get wild, enjoy himself. I'm gonna take y'all through this little journey, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned in, make sure y'all drop fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis. Let's go.
I'm trying to stay strong, I'm trying to hold on, I'm trying to make these racks, fucking stack it, touch the fucking sky.
Let me put y'all on. Can't be a man and not wear a belt on your pants. That's extra, you gotta have a belt. A brown one and a black one, it's not that you're reversible jump. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have a belt. Another thing I think that you should have as a man, you should have a watch. Now me, preferably, I prefer gold. I prefer gold watches, you know? So it look real good on my skin. Let me see. I'm gonna zip it up. These are the couple I got right now. The other ones, I'll set some to the silver. I don't wear too many silver ones. This one I've been having for a while. I'm thinking about throwing that on. I might throw that on.
Trying to make these racks fucking stack it, touch the fucking
graduation
sky. I'm trying to find my way, stay on my grind so I can put on the guys. Scat back flying, doing a buck 25 all down Lake Shore Drive. Really him, you can tell.
I got different watches. These are the couple that I brought. I probably got like maybe 15 gold watches. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple Elgins, Nixon. I got different ones, different occasions. I go with the ones that I like. I don't necessarily just buy.
My time. Yeah, I'm trying to stay strong, trying to hold on. I bet I'll fucking shine.
Just buy like the most expensive ones and stuff like that. I buy the ones I like, but I want mine to be like a nice good quality. So that do that. So I buy what I like. Whatever. But you gotta have a gold watch. Then you know I got my kit, always waves, bracelet, stuff like that. You know, little small, little touches, little details. Do with the sun. It's new. I'm at today. I got a new hat. Crosses on my joint. What?
I'm trying to stay strong. I'm trying to hold on. I'm trying to make these racks fucking stack it, touch the fucking sky. I'm trying to find my way, stay on my grind so I can put on the guys. Scat back flying, doing a buck 25 all down Lake Shore Drive. Really him, you can tell by the look of my eyes. I ain't like none of them guys. Niggas broken bummy, they ain't getting money. Bustin' plays white line. Only thing is money on my mind. Yeah, about like Mike way back in his prime.
Outside of the Charlotte Hornets arena. It's pretty like old fashioned, nothing too crazy about it, nothing spectacular. But right in the heart of the downtown area, literally right across the street from the hotel, I can see it. You know what I'm saying? Brandon Miller, a couple different guys, Lonzo, you know, rookie, that boy right there, rookie done broke the most threes made in the rookie year, beat Steph Curry. I just saw a sign that also said jersey retirement for Dale Curry. I wish I would have been able to catch a game, especially since I'm right across the street. Spectrum Center. Spectrum, I believe, is an internet or a cable company out here. That they had the All-Star game here. Something decent. Let's notice they got train tracks too here, but I'm also thinking that they have the trolley. The trolley might go down through the street. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's decent. Hotel I'm staying at. Ain't gonna lie, the hotel decent, but for what I paid and what you would get in Chicago for this, no. But it's straight. It's cool. Charlotte, weather is nice down here. It's definitely like in the 60s. It was like 66, 68 earlier. It ain't cool. I got a little jacket on, white tee. You already know what's in my cup. Midnight, my birthday, you already know. Oh, look, you can see the arena already. I ain't gonna touch the door or nothing. I don't want no smoke. Yeah, you can see the floor already. That's the 100 level. Yeah. LaMelo House. Yeah. Well, there go the trolley. Look very robotic. Right down the street. We'll go around these people. How y'all doing? Nice little spot. Look like it won't be no more home games for like another week. We got to see it though, right? Beautiful, beautiful. This is a nice little area. I don't even know what you want to call this, but this is a nice little area. There go to that bus again, or train. Trolley, I never rode one of them. I don't know the last time I've been on public transportation. Last time I seen one of these, I was in Boston. Got their own little beautiful little I ain't never, look, Portofino's. There gotta be some Italian joint for sure. Decent little spots. Everybody outside cool, calm, collected.
Now it's time for the people to cook. On the track is when I teach, but the others, they say I preach. Stay left on my heart from traumas like a black tea and some bleach. Sometimes things we hold on to, eventually we unleashed, and here comes the grief. From traumas, now we're overwhelmed like cheese. This is for the ones with trauma. Your cousin, uncle, auntie, or your mama, or even your papa. Pieces, everything.
Like, I know I got the Crocs on right now, but the fit fake decent. This is my first hockey jersey. Them sleeves big as hell. I know they sleeves be big, but like it cover up the watch though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Cover up the little watch.
They say money make the world go round. I was broke, it was still spinning. That means I was locked too from the very beginning. I knew I would be winning. Remain strong through them innings. I'm grinning when you overcome. It's an amazing feeling. They say money make the world go round. I was broke, it was still
fan and shit like that. But other than that, bro, I'm not a social media nigga.
That's cap, bro. You definitely a social media type nigga, bro. That's just keep it 100.
No, I never have.
Bro, who are you, bro?
Not a social media nigga.
Welch Customs.
I like being low key, staying out of the way, getting my money.
Low key?
I like to be low key. Next week, like I need to pop out. I do good.
I
mean, I'll pop out, but I don't gotta post.
Hey, turn that fan off for me real quick. Why we recording?
Nigga, 90% of the time when I put my blanket fly, I don't post it. I don't post.
It be like that though. I'm used to being lit. I do turn shit and don't take no flicks.
Nah, I turn around. You want me to turn around?
A low is good for
black,
you.
all black track hawk. Motherfucker, damn, who was that?
Damn, this motherfucker is comfy.
Oh, my mama, get out my bed, G. What you on? No daddy.
Freaky, man.
Anyway, y'all. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm recording for YouTube, so... yeah, be careful what you say. Today might be the day. Today might be the day that your boy go ahead and order his wide body kit for the Jeep. I've been wanting this for a while. Only person I really trust kind of to do it is Welsh, but he kind of acting like he ain't really doing it right now. So we gonna see. But anyway, right now we online. We looking up some stuff. Hey, is it true? Is it true people really be ordering a Jeep wide body kit off Alibaba?
Nope.
No? Look, you trying to keep the secret. I heard that people were actually doing it. I heard people were trying to do it. The ones that probably did it is probably really gatekeeping. I'm not saying that's what I'm going to do, but I'm not saying I'm not.
It's companies that sell them for like $10. But
10,000 for what?
That same kit. Right,
But I might as well go buy a Hellcat
right,
holder.
But look, though, they going to gatekeep it. But I'm bullshit. I don't care. I'll give you the sauce. Shit.
Some
every
damn...
time I tell somebody to go here, they get to acting like, man, no, I don't want to go.
I don't know nothing about Alibaba.
I do. I know all. I'm finna order a whole car off this motherfucker.
You know, the G-Wagon little electric cars just came through the railroad yesterday.
My motor coming. Yeah.
No, I'm for real. The electric ones, the G-Wagons, bro, we had 3 of them in a container, bro. They opened it. They was trying to get one. It was 3 of them. And they was like, the first one was like stacked front, was tilted up. The back one was like tilted, like behind it. And then the last one was,
That's a C. You got a regular one?
No. You know what? A regular charger?
Yeah. This look right.
That ain't yours, bro. Don't even start that shit. Straight up, you tweaking. This is not yours. But I'm going to say this, though. Anyway, I think today our first step is doing something working towards wide body in the Jeep. Whether it be the wheels, the body kit, something. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we looking right now. Alibaba got this little kit. I don't know if this the full kit or not. But this one say 1,800. I ain't gonna lie. Matter of fact, that just say front bumper.
That motherfucker said. Oh yeah.
Upgrade to Jeep Trackhawk.
But look,
full body kit.
Position.
Yeah, position. Say front bumper. Say 1 to 4, 1,800. So then you buy the front bumper, but the rear bumper. What about the flares though?
Shit, text.
And it's text them on this one.
Text them like shit. Is it flares too?
But then they want you to make a. Let's see. Send him a message. This is what he said. This dude right here. I was messaging this dude about them wide body wheels. The ones that are like the scat ones that he got. He talking about he was going to see if he can build them because I asked him for the specific specs. But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what we're looking at real quick.
I need a water bed.
Oh, bro, they don't even make water beds no more. I was messaging the dude about some wheels or whatever, but this the wide body kit. On a brown one, they got a brown one, so 1,800. But this just say front bumper, rear bumper, plastic and stuff like that. I don't know if people, bro, you trying to send me off, bro? Do people really be buying their wide body kits off here, bro?
I don't know. Shit. Every time I ask somebody where they got it from, they tell me, "Oh, I got it through somebody."
They probably
10,000.
They probably get hoods off here. I ain't gonna front.
Bro, you get whatever you want off.
Body kit, Jeep SRT, the upgraded joint. Oh, here go a hood right here, 450. I ain't gonna lie, them hoods probably super flimsy too. I can't do it. Are you really looking up a water bed right now? I wonder if they got a Jeep red eye hood on here.
Water bed.
Red eye hood. Bro, I don't even think that's safe for real. And them shit's not even good on your back. For real.
Bed.
Yeah.
I get a water couch.
Bro, go to hell. Bro, if you about anything, just say, dang, look at the hood. Bro, they buying the hood off of here for sure.
What?
Bro,
everything come from here.
$250 for a red eye hood for the Jeep is beautiful. Because I swear to God, the one I want is like 800. No, it ain't 800, 1,800.
2,000? Shit.
Yeah, 2,000. How much you be buying your beds from?
3?
That's why your back should be getting bites and shit on you. You be itching and
I
shit.
don't be getting no bites. I be getting cramps. If anything, my back shit.
Bro, hold on, bro. Hood for Jeep. Nah, see. But how do you... That mattress?
Motherfucker was $100.
No, my mattress wasn't $100.
It was like $2 something, $260 something. Nigga, I paid $300 for my shit decent.
Memory foam joint too. Memory foam. You ain't never had a memory foam bed?
I don't don't know.
You still sleeping in that full-size bed with the cars on it. Damn, bro, they got the red eye. 185?
Hey.
Bro, don't tempt me, bro.
No, nigga. Hey, this nigga was
Don't-
screwed from sealing the floor.
I ain't going front. But anyway, man. So, low-key, I've been ironing these wheels. That bumper hard, ain't it? I ain't showing this on camera. This what me and Welch was looking at.
I'm finna get it.
This bumper right there,
I'm gonna get it.
tough. But that's the whole kit, though. Let me show you the just the front bumper. The front bumper worked it, I think, in my opinion.
You just want the flares, though, you said, don't
Yeah, but I'll buy that bumper. I'll buy that bumper though. I'll do that front bumper with them flares. See, them flares like that too. I ain't gonna lie, that satin black or that matte black look good on there. That matte black look good. And then this orange one, tough. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the different wheels. I think we're gonna go with wheels today. Durangos and Jeep has the same bolt pattern, so they both can fit the same rims. They're interchangeable. Obviously, y'all know the Chargers, 300s, and the Challengers. They are interchangeable as well. So on actual Vicrez, which the only kind of like site that I really saw that had wide body wheels that was close to OEM, that have them available. So I found one that I really like. I like both of them, but I'm gonna actually just go with one. I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm thinking it's obviously between these two. Right now, they got a little sale going on. It ain't too crazy of a sale or a discount, but Hemi boy, I think Wolves like these the best.
I like those.
You like these the best?
Yeah.
But you seen these, so this is who, like these, Josh St. Laurent got these. Them tough. I'm not gonna lie to you. Them tough. Here is tough. It ain't really too many. I ain't really seen too many people with these wheels on their car enough to actually know which ones you like more. To be honest. And he got one to use him as a reference, and then you got bro right here that got it. And I don't know why this picture like this tweaking, but they got a whole different one. They got like, you know, like the 5-spoke ones. You got these, and these is 20 by 11s. 20 by 11, so you put these on the car, you definitely have to put a wide body kit, because the stock was like 20 by 9.5. Or you gotta go with the joints. Are these right here? Yeah, I had to real quick. Give me a second. Hold on. Or go with these. But then what? And then we do these. What color wrap though? What color wrap was that?
Big,
hey, you got a heart on your neck? You got a heart on the tattoo on your neck?
That nigga got somebody's name tatted.
Where you got it at?
I ain't got no name tattoo.
What's the tattoo name, G? Don't say Indiana. Bro, what you mean? Bro, you get the blocky tattoo name tattoo Bro, so anyway, I'm gonna go with the wide body wheels that come on the scat, like Henny Boy got. They're kind of like 5-spokes. I always wanted the Hellcat 5-spokes. They only sell them in 22s. They used to do them in 20s, but they discontinued. So we're gonna go with these ones, and yeah, wide body wheels, wide body kit on the Jeep on the way. Close your damn mouth. All right, man, so we went on ahead and made that little purchase. I'm excited to see these come in, and y'all just gonna have to wait and see when they come in, and I unbox them, which ones that I get. If y'all got any recommendations on which ones y'all think would be better, or which ones y'all like, or which ones I should get, put it in the comments. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, keep rocking with your boy. More videos, more content coming soon. Putting that damn Hawk sticker on the damn car. End up taking it off. Police pulling me over, and that shit was all over the door.
Keeping God first, even when I'm at my worst.